Hey everybody, check out this professional level performance at home hooded dryer. So this hooded dryer for home delivers salon quality results with the convenience of home use. The professional salon hair dryer releases up to 1 million negative ions to reduce frizz and boost the shine, leaving hair soft and smooth. It has customizable drying with 3 heat settings. Temperatures of cool 104 Fahrenheit, warm 131 Fahrenheit, and hot 167 Fahrenheit to suit your styling needs. The stand-up hair dryer ensures fast, gentle drying with a smooth, shiny finish and a minimal heat damage. This professional hair dryer adjusts from 30 to 50 inches for comfortable sitting or reclining use. Ideal for bonnet hair dryers for women who enjoy a relaxing, hands-free, and multitasking drying experience. This standing hair dryer for home has a sturdy 5-point base for stability and quiet. Anti-tangle wheels for smooth mobility. The hood dryers for hair home design ensures a hassle-free, relaxing drying experience every time. This head dryer provides even heat for curly, straight, or textured hair with salon dryer performance and a powerful motor. It ensures sleek, shiny results. The overhead dryer offers fast, efficient drying with minimal heat exposure. Great product. Definitely recommend. Thanks for watching.